How's it going, everybody? Tyler Schwartz here, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while. We've been doing some vlogs with Real Rhythm, and that's been going great. So happy about that. I wanted to just give a little update about the rest of the channel. Besides the vlogs, we haven't really done too much dancey dance, instructional videos, tutorials, or any of that trick stuff in a while. And I'm happy to announce that we're going to be doing more of that in the future moving forward. I've been away the past couple months. Being a professional dancer, I'm never in one place too long, going from one place to another, and I was fortunate enough to be given an opportunity to perform down in Disney World the past couple of months, down in Orlando. It's been great. It was so much fun, but it's been exhausting. A lot of dancing, lots and lots of dancing. Really fun, but I really didn't have the energy to also focus on the videos. I wanted to keep myself healthy, so I could either do the videos or perform. I didn't want to do both and burn the candle at both ends. Is that how the saying goes? Something like that. So I focused on Disney World for the time that I was down there, and it went so well. Met so many amazing people. It was such a great experience, but I missed doing the videos. So I wanted to reach out and ask you guys what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. I got a lot of great feedback from the introductory, beginner videos, all the way to the advanced crazy tricks. Thank you so much. Thanks for the encouragement. I'm glad that the videos helped in any way, shape, or form. I really appreciate that. And I want to know where to go next. I got a lot of great feedback from the drums video. Would you like to see how we can use drums to do other tricks? Leave your ideas and thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to get the conversation going and see what we can explore next. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, I would highly encourage you to. I'm going to be doing a whole lot more videos in the future, and subscribing lets you know when those videos come out, and hitting the bell lets you know even faster by sending you notifications. So all that fun stuff. Be sure to subscribe, and thank you if you do. But yeah, let's get the conversation going. Let's have some fun. All right,